Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to study physics faster. First, focus on truly understanding the core concepts before diving into problem solving. A strong foundation in fundamental math skills, like algebra and calculus, is absolutely essential. Don't rush through the basics. Take the time to break down complex topics into smaller, more digestible sections. This step-by-step approach builds confidence and makes learning more efficient. To accelerate your learning, actively engage with the material. Practice solving a diverse range of problems consistently. This is crucial for applying theory. Try explaining difficult concepts out loud to yourself or a friend. This process often reveals gaps in your understanding. Additionally, create and use flashcards for essential formulas and key definitions. Active recall significantly boosts retention and speed. Make the most of available resources. Online platforms and video tutorials can offer alternative explanations and visual aids that clarify complex ideas. Forming a study group allows you to discuss challenging topics, share insights, and learn from peers. Regularly reviewing past exams and quizzes helps you identify common question patterns and understand what your instructors emphasize. For even faster progress, try connecting new information to concepts you've already mastered. This builds a stronger mental framework. A powerful technique is to teach a topic to someone else. Explaining it clearly forces you to truly understand it. Remember to take short breaks and stay hydrated throughout your study sessions. Check the description below for a link to a great water bottle and other helpful deals. Consistent effort and smart strategies will lead to faster physics mastery.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.